Welcome to another lesson from DaBaby's new album, Blame It On Baby. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Find a Way. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So for this song, we're going to start on an A minor bar chord. So you're going to bar the 5th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 7th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the D string. And you're going to finger pick the low E string, D string, G string, and then B string. Then we're going to move to a C major bar chord. So you're going to bar the 3rd fret from the A string with your pointer finger. And you're also going to bar the D, G, and B string on the 5th fret. And you're going to finger pick the A string, D string, G string, and then B string. Then to an F major chord. So you're going to bar the 1st fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and you're going to finger pick the low E string, G string, B string, and then high E string. Then we're going to go back to an A minor chord, except for this, you're just going to place your ring finger on the 7th fret of the D string, and you're going to bar the G, B, and high E string with your pointer finger on the 5th fret, and you're going to pick all 4 strings at the same time. Then we're going to an E major chord. So for this, you're just going to place your ring finger on the 6th fret of the D string. You're going to bar the G, B, and high E string on the 4th fret with your pointer finger. And you're going to place your middle finger on the 5th fret of the B string. And you're going to pluck all 4 of those strings at the same time. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Find a Way. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.